It was a lovely day, and the master said, "Come on, dog, we're going out." Well, I've always liked Derbyshire in the summer. It's just a place to chill out on my day off. We found a nice spot and I was all ready to go. But as I looked out of the van, I was a bit suspicious. There were a lot of people there, and I hate crowds even though they seem to be enjoying themselves. As soon as I saw those men in the field, I knew I'd been conned. This was no day out, this was work. The master told me to get 3 sheep. "Which sheep?" I asked him. "Those over there," he said. "You must be joking, master, they're miles away." "Can't I just get 3 from this lot? They're so much nearer." "No chance," he said. "They're practising the 8some reel for the Strictly Come Dancing phoning competition to be held this afternoon." So I had no choice, I had to go. God, I'm nearly at Buxton. This is no life for a dog of my pedigree. Oh, for heaven's sake, master, stop blowing your whistle. I know what to do. I've had enough of this. Why drive sheep in a pen just to let them out again? Come on, sheep, let's do our own thing. Off you go. Shake a leg. That's better. Now I fancy a nice burger or some of that bacon I can smell cooking. But no, it's junk food as usual, and more trips to the dentist. I can't think why the master shouted at me and locked me up. It's no way to treat a dog on his day off.